No cable for your laptop? Low battery? Introducing the BAVIN CB390 USB to Type-C converter, Lightning to Type-C adapter, bendable and durable cable. Experience 65 watts fast laptop charging, 480 Mbps, transfer in just a second, supercharging 80% in 30 minutes, 30 watts for Lightning, compatible with iPhone, Infinix, Oppo, Honor, Huawei, and more. Extra durable, strong enough to hold 3 phones. Comes in green and yellow, 1.2 meters length, 1 cable, 4 ways, high quality. That's the BAVIN CB390. Get yours now.